Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as most likely turning into an expanding flat wave C, which I think will have it taking out these previous highs on the monthly. It could possibly be a running flat wave C also, and if it is that, then it would turn at one of these lower Fibonacci levels, making a lower high. Either scenario, I still think it's going to lead to a big uptrend, especially on the shorter time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on just this last little push up right here. I think this move down is very likely a correction to the last wave up. I think at some point it's probably going to bounce off one of these Fibonacci levels and end up continuing the uptrend. All subdivisions of that wave 3 of wave C of either an expanding flat or a running flat. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we did have a nice little break of structure to the upside, and this move down definitely looks like 5 waves. So I would for sure call this an A. I think this needs to make a wave B, and I think it needs to go down for a wave C, potentially down to one of these lower 3 Fibonacci levels, before we actually do end up continuing that wave 3 uptrend. So let's keep that in mind. Let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. Now the question is whether this is actually going to push up before it pushes down, because this move up right here definitely does look a little bit like a trend. This move down right here is extremely clear that it's a trend for a wave A. This move up is a wave B. I think that it potentially is going to go up one more time. It's probably going to make a lower high, but I think it is going to go up one more time and make a wave 1, like a wave 2, and then eventually go down, make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5, which I think would be all the wave C of this ABC correction. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Now these situations can be a little tricky because this potentially could have already made 1, 2, 3 waves up. This could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2, and it potentially could just keep on going down for the wave 3 already. Definitely keep that in mind as a possibility. But it does kind of seem more likely that it would go up, especially since it's Monday. Mondays are usually pretty slow, pretty corrective, potentially making a bit much bigger, much more drawn out ABC crescent for potentially like a wave 1, a wave 2, and then maybe tomorrow go down for that wave 3 of wave C. Just keep in mind that a lot of times what we think is a wave B or say is a wave B is not a wave B. It could potentially just keep on trending down from there. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.